In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your sales settings in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a versatile tool that helps manage your finances efficiently, but setting up your sales settings correctly is key to getting the most from the platform. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a quick refresher, following these steps will ensure your experience with sales settings is smooth and straightforward. First, you'll want to start by heading to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. Here, you'll find a gear icon, which is your gateway to the settings menu. Clicking on this icon will open up a range of options. What we're interested in is the Account and Settings section. Selecting this option will bring you to a new menu filled with different tabs that cater to your various needs in QuickBooks. Once you have the Account and Settings menu open, look to your left. You'll see a panel filled with various tabs. Here, you'll navigate to the Sales tab. This section is where you can handle everything related to your sales settings, making crucial adjustments to suit your business operations. It's one of the many customizable elements of QuickBooks that empowers you to tailor the experience to your exact requirements. Take your time exploring this tab. It includes preferences for sales forms, product and service settings, progress invoicing, and much more. Familiarizing yourself with these options can greatly enhance your ability to manage sales efficiently. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to make your adjustments. Each option within the Sales Settings tab can significantly impact how your business's sales processes operate, so consider your choices carefully. Think about how you generate and send invoices, what details you'd like customers to see, and how you handle taxes on sales. You can toggle options and test out what works best for your business model. After you've made all your desired changes, take a minute to review them. It's important to ensure everything is set up exactly as you envisioned. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, go ahead and click on the Done button. This will save your settings, applying them to your QuickBooks Online account. And just like that, you've set up your sales settings. This simple setup process can greatly affect your daily operations by making sales management more efficient and tailored to your needs. By taking the time to configure these settings, you're setting your business up for smoother transactions and better financial tracking. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful, providing you with the essential knowledge to set your sales settings like a pro. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out, and good luck managing your business with QuickBooks Online.